I was just thinking that writing can actually be a pretty good way to make some extra cash. But it's not as simple as just sitting down and putting words on paper. There are a lot of factors that come into play. For starters, your writing style is really important. Are you able to write in a way that's engaging and easy to read? And then there's the niche you're writing in. Certain topics are more popular than others, and some will earn you more money than others. Of course, who you're writing for matters too. If you're writing for a really specific audience, you might be able to charge more than if you're writing for a general audience. And then there's the platform you're using to publish your writing. Some platforms pay more than others, so it's worth considering your options. Now, when it comes to actually making money through writing, there are two main ways to do it. The first is to work as a freelancer and get paid for individual articles you write for clients or businesses. It can be a bit of a hustle, but it can also pay off pretty quickly. The second way is to set up your own website or blog and use affiliate marketing and ads to generate passive income. It takes a bit more time to get going, but can be a great way to earn money in the long run. At the end of the day, there are pros and cons to both approaches, but if you're looking for a quick cash infusion, freelance writing might be your best bet. If you're just starting out as a freelance writer, it can be tough to get your foot in the door, but there are a few different approaches you can take. You could try looking for gigs on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, but be warned, there's a lot of competition out there. Alternatively, you could try submitting articles directly to websites that are looking for content. This can be a great way to get your work out there and start earning money. And the best part, there are some websites out there that will pay you at least $100 for each article you submit and get accepted. How amazing is that? Now you might be wondering if you have to be a great writer to take advantage of these opportunities. Well, according to ListFirst.com, one of the websites I'll be sharing with you, you don't necessarily need to be an expert. You just need to have English skills on par with a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love for unusual or interesting things. So without further ado, here are 10 websites that pay a minimum of $100 per article. The first website is ListFirst. It is a great platform for writers who love to research and write about interesting and uncommon topics. The site offers an opportunity to get paid $100 for every article that gets accepted, which can be a great source of income for freelance writers. However, it's worth noting that ListFirst is a highly competitive market, and writers will need to come up with unique ideas that stand out from the crowd. It's also important to have a good command of the English language, as the site only accepts submissions from writers based in the US, UK, NZ, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and South Africa. Despite these challenges, many writers have found success on ListFirst, and the site has become known for its entertaining and informative content. So, if you're looking for a way to monetize your writing skills and share your knowledge with the world, ListFirst could be a great place to start. And the second is Cracked.com. It is a popular humor website that offers writers an opportunity to get paid for creating entertaining and informative content. The site covers a wide range of topics, from pop culture and current events to science and history, and they're always on the lookout for fresh and interesting perspectives. One of the things that sets Cracked.com apart is its irreverent and often satirical tone, which allows writers to be creative and have fun with their articles. However, the site also places a high value on accuracy and research, so writers will need to do their homework to ensure that their content is both entertaining and informative. Overall, Cracked.com is a great platform for writers who are looking to flex their creative muscles and get paid for their work. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's always room for talented writers on this popular humor site. And the third is A List Apart. It is a website that focuses on web design and development, and they're always on the lookout for in-depth articles from knowledgeable writers. They pay their writers for their work, making it a great opportunity for freelance writers who specialize in this niche. If you have expertise in web design and development and can write engaging, informative articles, then A List Apart could be a great platform for you to share your knowledge and get paid for your work. And the fourth is the Penny Hoarder. It is a personal finance website that offers writers an opportunity to earn money by writing about ways to save money and earn money online. They are particularly interested in articles that offer practical tips and advice for their readers. It's important to note that the Penny Hoarder only accepts submissions from certain geographic locations. However, if you are able to access their website, then you are likely eligible to submit an article. Overall, writing for the Penny Hoarder can be a great way to share your personal finance expertise and earn some extra income. So, if you have a passion for helping others save and earn money, consider submitting an article to the Penny Hoarder. And the fifth is International Living. It is a popular website that covers a wide range of travel and lifestyle topics. One of the site's main focuses is on living abroad, and they are always on the lookout for articles that provide insights into the expat lifestyle. If you're a writer who has experience living in another country, you could earn money by sharing your expertise with International Living's readers. The site pays for articles on a per-word basis, so the amount you can earn will depend on the length and quality of your article. Overall, International Living is a great option for writers who are passionate about travel and want to earn money by sharing their knowledge with others. And the sixth is Income Diary. It is an online platform that features articles on various topics such as making money online, entrepreneurship, and marketing. The site offers tips and strategies for people looking to start their own business or improve their marketing skills. With a strong focus on practical advice and real-world examples, Income Diary provides valuable insights that can help readers achieve their goals. The site is also known for its comprehensive guides and tutorials, which cover everything from SEO to social media marketing. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Income Diary is a great resource for anyone looking to succeed in the online business world. And the seventh is Great Escape Publishing. It is a website that offers opportunities for travel writers and photographers to showcase their skills and earn money. The site is dedicated to publishing articles and photos that capture the beauty and uniqueness of travel destinations around the world. By submitting articles or photos, writers and photographers can earn a fee and have their work featured on the site, which can help to build their portfolio and reputation. Whether you're a seasoned travel writer or just starting out, Great Escape Publishing offers a supportive community and valuable resources to help you succeed. And the eighth is Cooking Detective. It is a website that focuses on cooking and food. It offers a variety of articles and resources for home cooks, including recipes, cooking tips, and product reviews. The site is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it a great resource for anyone who loves to cook or is looking to improve their skills in the kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, Cooking Detective has something for everyone. And the ninth is Fun for Writers. It is a website that offers payment for articles on various aspects of the writing life, including the business of writing and more. It's a great opportunity for writers who want to share their experiences and expertise with others while earning some extra income. The site has a wide range of topics that writers can explore, from freelancing and publishing to creative writing and marketing. So, whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, Fun for Writers is a great platform to consider. And the 10th is SitePoint. It is a website that covers a wide range of topics related to web development, design, and business. They publish articles on everything from coding and web design to marketing and entrepreneurship. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, you're sure to find something of interest on SitePoint. Their articles are well researched and provide practical tips and advice that you can apply in your work or business. Overall, SitePoint is a great resource for anyone looking to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in the world of web development and design. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or comments about writing for money, leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.